Hello everybody, and I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to be making one of my favourite plant-based recipes, which is the roasted chickpea wrap. Okay, so first of all I've got a can of drained chickpeas. And I've just drained these off and patted them dry. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of olive oil on them and just mix that around. So now I'm just adding my spice mix, which is a mix of half a tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of pepper, quarter of a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and some salt just to season it up a bit. I've mixed that all around and I'm just going to mix this in and coat all the chickpeas. The chickpeas just need to now be spread out on a baking sheet and transferred to the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees C. This gives the chickpeas a really tasty nutty flavour. I quickly made some of my own pita breads by using some leftover pizza dough, but you could use store-bought. And now I'm going to start assembling my wraps. So first of all I'm just going to put on some lettuce. Next I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. And then onto some cucumber. You can use anything you like really. You can put any kind of salad that you like on, and I'm adding some of my favourite, which is my homemade sauerkraut, which is pickled cabbage. So adding on my chickpeas. There's quite a lot of chickpeas in this wrap. It's really filling and satisfying to eat. And now I'm just going to put over some homemade tzatziki, or you could use store-bought. Tzatziki is basically some grated cucumber mixed in with some yogurt and mint. And here we go guys, this is the finished product. I'm sure you'll agree they look really tasty, and I can definitely guarantee you they taste great. They're one of my absolute favourite things to have. So you can find this recipe and many more in the excellent plant-based cookbook. If you'd be interested in getting this book, there's a link in the description, and there's a link on my profile as well. That'll take you to the link to get the book. It's well worth the money guys, it's really good value. Loads of really good inspirational recipes on there. So go check it out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you, bye bye.